friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about how you can fix the iPhone or iPad showing the wrong time problem. If your iPhone or iPad is displaying the wrong time, you may find that various features throughout iOS start to misbehave and, on some occasions, don't even work. Sometimes, if the date and clock is off on the iOS device, you may run into all sorts of weird errors, like the inability to send messages, can't make calls or send emails, some apps don't open, and other odd behavior. So if your iOS device is not showing the right time, here are the reliable tips and tricks to fix the problem. That said, let's cut the chase. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, I will recommend you to enable Set Automatically. This approach automatically sets the date and time in iOS. It uses an internet time server to correct an improper time and display the proper date and time on the device in question. To do so, launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on General. Next, choose Date and Time. This automatically sets your date and time based on your time zone. It's worth noting that if there is an available time zone update, your device lets you know that. If the first trick has not worked in fixing the problem, try hard resetting the device. The reason why I recommend you to give this solution a shot is that it has the knack for troubleshooting common iOS problems. Hopefully, it gets the job done for you. On iPhone 8 or later, including iPhone 10, 11, and 12 models, and with iPad with Face ID, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, hold down the power button until you see Apple logo on the screen. On iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, you have to hold down the volume down button and the side button at once until you see Apple logo on the screen. And on iPhone 6s or earlier, an iPad with Touch ID, you have to press and hold the home button and the power button simultaneously until you see Apple logo on the screen. Next, you can be sure that the proper date and time are always accurate on the iPhone and iPad by making sure that the time zone adjusts with your location. This is a setting that is usually enabled by default, but some users may have inadvertently turned it off, thus it's worth a look. Therefore, I would suggest you to allow your device to use its current location to determine the current time zone. To do this, go to the Settings app on your iOS device, then choose Privacy. After that, tap on Location Services and choose System Services. After that, make sure that the switch for setting time zone is turned on. If your iOS device is never going to be on the internet or infrequently going to be on the internet, or you don't want to use the time zone settings for whatever reason, the other option is to manually set the time and date yourself. This works fine, but do know that it will not change if your time zone adjusts. To get it done, open the Settings app on your device and then tap on General, then tap on Date and Time. After that, toggle the switch right next to Set Automatically to the off position. Then adjust your date and time using the dials to fit the accurate date and time for your location. Finally, exit out of settings when finished. It is highly recommended to use the automatic time zone settings if you want the proper time to display on the iOS device. Additionally, it is recommended to use the time zone location service to be sure the device updates itself automatically with iOS location detection, correcting the time as needed whenever it strays. If you are still struggling to fix the problem, go for the software update. The issue might be due to a software bug, and in this case, software update is the best bet. Apple often releases software updates with plenty of bug fixes and performance enhancements. That's why it's always recommended to keep the device updated to the latest version. To get it done, head over to the Settings app on iPhone or iPad and then choose General. After that, tap on Software Update and then download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS on your device. That's all there is to it. Hopefully, your iPhone or iPad has started to show the right time. Let me know the trick that has worked for you. Besides, if there is any trick that has done the trick for you, be sure to let me know about that as well. And I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.